CJ Wild Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ, and I get really, 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 really happy when I get a box. And I think this box is a special gift. So, when I get a box, everybody know you get to see my love. To open up the box. Let's see what's inside. Bye-bye now. Oh, wow. There's another box. I'll be surprised. Let's see the box. Okay, it says fragile. Ooh. Come back in now. Gotta be easy because it's fragile. Okay. Wow. It's got bubbles. I don't think I've ever seen it. Try to get it out of here. Wow. Okay. It's... Wow, yummy, yummy. It's some good goodies. Is white sandwich cookies. Wow. Peanuts. There's something in every box. Ooh, I love these candies. Ooh, they're like toffee and coffee. And then I also got, ooh, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to open it up and taste it. Wow. Wow. Popcorn. And cappuccino cookie, chocolate chip cookies, and pretzels. I got a party going on. Michelle, you are the coolest best friend ever. This is a total surprise. To use this to stack and put little things in it. See, now the mind's gotta go. Thank you. This is my birthday gift from my best friend. She's awesome, and she knows what I like. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuffing things.